4 sticks of butter. Let's get this melted. Pillsbury crescent rolls. We are just gonna roll these out and separate. Alrighty, I'm just gonna divide these in half. So we don't need them to be quite so large for what we're doing. I'm just using my little pastry cutter here. You can use a pizza cutter or just a knife. And we are just gonna double the crescent rolls that we've got here. Now I'm coming in with my little Smokies, cocktail weenies. And I'm just going to be placing a weenie at the edge of each of our crescent dough pieces. You can use the all beef, the pork, whatever you like. I've just got the beef ones. They were on sale. They were reduced to $1.99. I got 2 packs. I used another one for a different recipe. Oh, I love it when you get a good deal, especially on these little weenies. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and start wrapping these guys up, getting them all into their little blankies, snug as a bug in a rug. Perfect. Doesn't matter which direction they're facing. They are all gonna go to the same place. Alrighty, y'all, our butter is melted. I'm gonna come in with some garlic minced. Just gonna add some yummy, yummy goodness to this. Ooh, oh yeah, there it is. Some onion powder. And I thought about even putting maybe a Cajun seasoning in this, but we decided against it. We're gonna do an Italian seasoning for today. Oh, this is already smelling incredible. My goodness. And I'm just gonna give this a good little stir, 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 mix here into our butter, giving it that flavor flav. Now here I come with our little Smokies. We're just gonna place these little bad boys in there. And like, if you're like me and you can get the little Smokies reduced for $1.99, you've probably got some crescent rolls in your fridge, or you can grab some when they're on sale, a 2-pack. So we did use 2 packs in this. And this is such an easy, fun appetizer to make. Like, this is perfection for the summer. Marty loves a pig in a blanket. Right, Marty?
Definitely.
And the little Smokies just have more of that sort of like real meat taste that I love. You know, not every hot dog tastes like a smoked meat, but a little Smoky tastes like a smoked meat. 1 row left here. Perfect. Alrighty guys, we're popping these into our oven for about 20 minutes at 350. Alrighty guys, we had them in the oven for 20 minutes and they are hot and steamy and ready to roll. I'm gonna get some barbecue sauce here. I've just got my little dipping trays right here on the side. I wanna make sure we've got all the right condiments. I think that'll be really yummy. And of course, can't have a little Smoky or a dog without some yellow mustard. Beautiful. Check this out, guys. Perfectly cooked with that butter and yummy, yummy, yumminess. Some mustard. Look at this guy. He's trying to get a little Smoky himself.
What about this one?
Oh! I'm telling you guys, the dogs bring the dogs. Y'all, this is so easy, so good. You gotta try it.